Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In Ielts writing, many students get confused and they don't know what to do. Essay writing accounts for 6 band and task 1 is for 3 band. In other words, essay writing is 2/3 in writing. The band score or the weightage of essay writing is 2/3 and task 1 is only 1/3. Now guys, I have developed this wonderful study plan for Ielts essay writing. See, there is someone who really cares for you, and this study plan of Ielts essay writing is tried and tested on thousands of students who achieved their desired band according to their level of English and along with this study plan. So this study plan is readily available for you, absolutely free of cost. I don't charge for things like that, okay? Exactly. Although Ielts is my source of income as well. It is my source of earning my bread and butter as well. That is through my online classes and all that. I work hard. I never look for any money like that, okay? So I'm going to share this with you. One of my colleagues, Mr. Yasin Hafiz, who has developed this essay writing study plan. His contact number is given over here. Just send him a message on WhatsApp. Don't write anything, hello, how are you? Don't write anything. Simply write Ielts essay study plan. Ielts essay study plan, and he will send you a study plan where you will learn opinion essay, discussion essay, problem solution essay, advantages, disadvantages essay with detail. And this study plan within days will improve your essay writing skill and you will be able to hit your desired band score. Thank you very much. That's all. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Pakistan. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.